Okay, so check this out.
We are tracking extremely dangerous storm.
The intensity, the pressure with this storm was equal to a Category 2 hurricane.
You're wondering if it's still cold and snowy? The answer is yes. It is.
Let's go ahead and get a live look out here right now.
Look at that snowdrift.
This went from flurries to a blizzard.
Man, I'm telling you, this storm is a real wind machine.
There are gusts that are blowing like crazy out here.
That is my tree.
We cannot emphasize enough how awful this storm is.
Go, 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 go!
And I can tell you it has gotten significantly worse.
Unless you are prepared for this type of conditions, it's dangerous out here.
You can't see, everyone stopped.
And again, I-25 between basically Woodman Road and Denver is continuing to be a mess.
It was virtually impossible to see past the hood of the vehicle that I was driving in.
It is cold, it is icy, there are drifts happening out here, there is damage happening.
We got 20 cars stuck on Voyager here. It's hard to tell how deep the snow actually is.
We're told something in the neighborhood of 27-inch snow drifts.